in Instruction Spotlight. Frightfully Fun Survey Tools, a hands-on session. Brookhaven College. Only a couple weeks after Halloween, more precisely on November 13th, Innovations in Instruction Spotlight will introduce you to Frightfully Fun Survey Tools. This semester's sessions have focused on the importance of feedback in our courses, both giving and receiving. In our final session for the semester, we will discuss easy-to-use tools for gathering anonymous feedback from students that may help you improve your course. We will look at the pros and cons of the online tools available for us and let you choose which ones to use based on your comfort level. Be prepared to go hands-on and immediately deploy a survey to your students.
Don't forget to sign up on eConnect for professional development credit.